Carnivores are animals that eat other animals to survive. This is where they get their nutrients from. They are often found further up food chains. An example in a food chain might be mango fruit eaten by a tapir, and then the tapir eaten by a jaguar. Here, the jaguar is the carnivore, only eating meat. Another example might be a plant being eaten by an aphid, the aphid being eaten by a beetle, the beetle being eaten by a spider, and the spider being eaten by a swallow. Here, both the spider and the swallow are carnivores. Many carnivores eat herbivores, but they can also eat omnivores or even other carnivores. Carnivores can be put into certain groups depending on their main food sources. A few of these are insectivores, who mainly eat insects, ovivores, who mainly eat eggs, piscivores, who mainly eat fish, and avivores, who mainly eat birds. The planet's largest animal is a carnivore. The blue whale filters water through its mouth and takes in shrimp known as krill. It has to eat a massive 4 tons of these shrimp each day.